Hi everyone. Today we will learn data types in Java. Why we need data types? We want to store data. In our program we need data types, particular data types. Suppose we need variables to store the data. Variable is nothing but a memory location which holds the data. We should write that variable in our program. We want to store data. For that reason, we should write the variable declaration. For that, int x equal to 10. This is the variable declaration. This statement we can call it as declaration statement. Declaration of a variable. See here, this right side value we can call it as literal. This is the variable. This is data type. Int is a data type. I want to store integer value into this x variable. For that reason, I declare int data type before the variable name and assigning the value to this variable. It means we are telling to the Java compiler we need to store the values into x variable as a integer values. Integer data types are again classified into 4 types according to depends upon memory location. Suppose I would like to store integer value into variable but small value. At that time we need small amount of memory we need small amount of memory. For that reason, integer data types classified into 4 types. Those are byte, short, int, long. This takes 1 byte memory. This short takes 2 bytes of memory. This integer data type takes 4 bytes of memory. Long takes 8 bytes. My intention is to store integer values into variable, but depends upon the condition. I would like to take integer value, long value. At that time I need more memory location. Suppose I need only take small value, I need only small amount of memory. For that reason, suppose I take byte x equal to 20 is enough. 1 byte value is enough to store the value 20 into x variable. Here I need to take short y equal to 30 like that. Int x equal to z, otherwise take z 50. Long k equal to 150. L, I declare L at the end of the value assigning to this long variable. This time Java compiler identifies this L at the end of literal, so that's why it takes 8 bytes of memory. But the same long value, long data type, take 150. This time takes only 2 bytes of memory is enough to store the value 150. The value is same, but we mention L means it assign the long value. Suppose I need sometimes in real time scenarios we want to store big numbers. At that time we will declare long. So according to our situation, it's allocate the memory. That is the major categories of integer data types. Till now what we observed, we are only taking the numbers directly, but no decimal points in our numbers. Sometimes I need percentage 70.30 like that. I would like to store that type of values into program. What I need to mention that time, integer data type is not sufficient to allocate the memory for that. That data type will be float data type. What is the need of float data type? I would like to store decimal point numbers into variables. That variable we can be used in our program, so that's why I can go for float data type. Float pi equal to 3.14159. So that's why I need this variable pi as float. Sometimes here after decimal points here only 5 digits, so float is enough. I would like to display more than 7 digits. I need double data type pi equal to 3.14159000100 so and so like this. I need to display the pi value. That time this data type I need to take as double type. Float as the consideration of taking the memory 4 bytes. Double data type takes 8 bytes of memory. So that's why I will display the after decimal points up to 15 digits. Here available 7 bits after decimal point. Here 15 bits takes after the decimal point. So that's why we can take float as the pi value after 7 digits we can take. I would like to take more than 7 digits after decimal point of number. So that's why I take double data type. This is literal, this is the variable, this is the data type. Now coming to character data type. In character data type, suppose in other languages C or C++ takes only 1 byte memory is enough to store the single character. But in case of Java, character data type takes 2 bytes. Why? Because it 2 bytes means its range between 0 to 535 or 536. So that's why I would like to translate that program or information in any language. So that's why here character data type takes 2 bytes of memory. Character data type supports the Unicode system. Unicode system means we can translate the character into corresponding number. Because of this we can transform float, int, double or any data type, translate it into corresponding numbers. Encoding is nothing but a Unicode system is nothing but a encoding standard to transfer the any character into corresponding number. So that's why character data type of Java language supports Unicode system. This is nothing but it accepts the values American Standard Information Interchange. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. This supports the 0 to 65536. Suppose I take A, this corresponding ASCII value transfer to 65. This corresponding ASCII value is 65. Once we type A through our keyboard, it translated into number with the help of ASCII system. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. That is the standard procedure for every keyboard. Wherein they use this character data type. Suppose I would like to take gender, char data type gender equal to I am a female. For example, I would like to declare the value with single quotes assigning to this variable, gender variable, that is a character data type. So that's why we use it in our real-time projects. Suppose sometimes marital status at that time married or unmarried. So we take M for married, or unmarried means N. We declare like this. We will get the radio button value options. Then we use it in our real-time projects like this. That is the use of character data type. We can take single characters like that. It also accepts some special symbols. And escape sequences also. Character data type supports the special symbols. Special symbols comes under @ symbol, hash, etc. Escape sequences means \n, \t, like this, etc. It can also accept these special symbols and escape sequences. In every project, we need to take the customer or client name or employee's name. So we need to take the name of anybody or product name or maybe any object name we need to take in real-time projects. We need any object name, so that's why we need the data type, string data type. String data type is nothing but a group of characters. It shows the name of any object or product. For example, I am an employee of some company. I would like to save my name in that company organization details. I take my name, string data type. String is a data type. String is data type and also class. So that's why we can take this as a capital letter. String name equal to maybe John. I assign this value to this variable, that is the string data type. Here we need to mention double quotation marks. First take the value into this name variable, string. This is the string type data type. I would like to save employee names, e-names. Suppose another take en name, take Bhargavi like this. Suppose we need our project city name or city address, for that New Delhi. We need this type of data in real time projects or not. So that's why we take that values as a string data type. We can store in our program. Program in the sense we can give in the input, then finally store into somewhere database. For that reason we take the string data type as a city variable, employee name variable, name variable. I would like to save car name also. Car name, it is a mixed number of alphabets and nameplate. Car name, suppose AP16 like this, CZ7062. We can declare this car number also. We can like this, we can take the string. String is nothing but a combination of alphabets and numeric letters also. That is the advantage of taking string data type. This is the purpose of taking data types in our Java language. Without data types, we can't store the particular data into specific variable. Till now we learned integer data type, float data type, character data type and string data types. All these values store into some value, that whatever value we stored into the variables, we can call it as literals. Literals are again integer literal, character literal, float literal, string literals or double literals. For example, int x equal to 10. Here 10 is the literal. Character g equal to f. Here this is literal, character literal. This is also literal. Like this we can float f equal to 3.14159. Don't take like this. This is the literal of float type, float literal. Float character literal, int literal. Like this we can declare the different types of literals, store that literal values into variables according to the corresponding data type. This is the main concept of data types in our Java language. Thank you everyone. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe Bhargavi Royal.